Welcome to part 2 of prepositions. Our last quick take ended with a cliffhanger right there in the post office. Was the man right? Did the post office employees need grammar lessons? Should it have been please turn off your cell phone? Or was the sign correct, please turn your cell phone off? And what did Tool House Rock Cate do to quell the mass hysteria that ensued? Excuse me, Cate said, hiding behind her package. There's no such rule. It's perfectly fine to end a sentence with a preposition. The man stared aghast, necks craned as folks listened in. More to the point, Cate continued, the word off isn't even a preposition here. It's a particle. What? That's right, a particle. A small word that looks like a preposition, acts like an adverb, but is attached to a verb. These verb-particle combinations create phrasal verbs. For example, bring up, drop off, check in, look up, run over, listen in, and turn off, as in turn off your cell phone. So all that hullabaloo in the post office over a preposition at the end of a sentence? That wasn't even a preposition. In other instances, what look like prepositions might be adverbs. Check out these 3 uses of off. He grabbed the book off the shelf, preposition. The crook took off at the sound of the alarm, particle. The train was a long way off, adverb. That takes us to the Hokey Pokey. Bet you've never minded the prepositions at the end. Wait, are those prepositions or are they particles? Or maybe adverbs.
You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
If I'd only sung that in the post office, what kind of looks would I have gotten then? For the answer to the Hokey Pokey and the rest of the story, go to CateTouryan.com/quick takes and check back next time for another quick take with Cate.